So is this a point in time when people start looking and comparing systems, when they kind of have their list of needs and sort of their current needs and future needs, and then they start, at what point does the software bake-off happen, for example?
There's a good one.
Yeah.
Right. And back to our sort of the point of the whole thing, should you start with that, or when does that happen? Maybe it's kind of what you're asking, Julianne.
Even more specifically, right? Is it, because it seems like you need to focus around solving a problem. You're not just buying software because it's cool. So
yeah.
But I think some people do. I think some people start with that. And Derek, correct me where I'm wrong, right? I mean, so I'm going to jump in with my con on this one. If you're thinking of starting by doing a bake-off, I think you are missing something, right? Because you asked about it in the context of, well, when does this fit in the roadmap? But there are folks who will say, step one is figure out what software you're going to use and then move on from there. And to me, that sort of says, well, how did you compare? What was your criteria? I don't know, Derek. So, what's your take on this one?
Yeah, so I have lots of thoughts on this one.
Okay.
I have all kinds of analogies I want to throw out as well. So stop me.
Please do. We love those.
If I get too deep into that. But so the software bake-off has its place. I think at some point it makes sense to look at the competing softwares and see which one is best. But what does best mean? Well, best means aligned with where I'm going. I'm going to say something that might be controversial. All these PLM systems, let's use PLM. MES would be similar. They're all the same. They all do the same sort of thing. Different vendors have a different focus.